Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming power and WAN LEDs on the Jio router are steady. This proves the device is powered and linked. Then plug a laptop by Ethernet to isolate Wi-Fi, run a quick speed and ping test to compare. Make sure to note the router model and firmware version in the app or on the sticker, because you'll need that for targeted fixes and for reporting to Jio if hardware changes are required. Once done with initial checks, back up your router settings via the Jio app. Try a soft reboot first and only factory reset if problems persist. Next, update firmware to eliminate known bugs, then reconfigure SSID and strong password. Make targeted changes. Enable the 5 GHz band for congestion relief, pick a less crowded channel, and confirm WPA2 or WPA3. You finish by optimizing physical placement. Put the router centrally, a few feet above the floor, away from microwaves and thick walls to reduce interference. Then run multi-device speed tests and scan signal strength with a Wi-Fi analyzer app to identify dead zones. Adjust antenna angle and channel if needed. If problems persist, collect router logs and firmware info. Then contact Jio support for a hardware swap or technician visit. This step solves persistent ISP or modem faults.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.